Hey y'all, happy Sunday. So I don't know what time it is. It's like 4:45. Anyway, I'm getting ready to go hang out with one of my girlfriends, and I'm about to stop by ET's to get some little snackages and packages. I may stop by Trader Joe's to get some wine. But yeah, y'all, I think I do these friend dates with my friends because otherwise we would not get together. This time we're just gonna be at her house chilling with her husband and her son or whatever. Might just be in her, me, her, and her son. I don't know if her husband's gonna be there. Anyway, but yeah, y'all, what page is that in the Fabulous Year in Food book? I don't know, but like, there's all different types of activities in that book, and so I just decided to take my own advice. So, about to head over there. Super cash. Like, I have on a sweatshirt, some jeans, and some Chucks because it's my homegirl, and like, who am I going to impress? Okay, so going to go get something to eat for all of us, and I'm gonna take it over there and we're gonna have a good time. Okay, bye. That's the one. So I got the wine. I just got one bottle because it's a Sunday night. I'm taking off this week, but everybody else might not be, so one bottle of wine it is. I'm not a big drinker. Like, it's sweet wine. Don't judge me. I know I'm a chef and I'm supposed to have a sophisticated palate, but my palate just has not developed to the point where I like strong red wine. Or even white wine for that matter. It really is, I like sweet wine. Semi-fermented, sparkling sweet wine. So, on to Eatsy's, and then we're on to my friend's house. Got all the stuff from Eatsy's. Probably spent way too much, but we are on our way, y'all. Hey y'all, so we are here with DonybTV. Make sure you subscribe to her YouTube channel, okay? And we are at Trinity Groves for the Fair Food Fest. We don't know where we're supposed to be checking in at, but we about to do it. It's hot, yes, okay? It's hot. Parking is scarce, it's dusty, but let's do it.